Every engine has a heartbeat, and in the world of diesel engines, that heartbeat comes from the fuel injection system. One of the most critical parts of that system is the high-pressure fuel injection pump. The 1PC diesel high-pressure fuel injection pump for 33,100 4x700 is not just another component, it's the part that ensures your diesel engine breathes life into every combustion cycle with precision, consistency, and power. Diesel engines power some of the toughest machines on the planet. They're the backbone of industries that never stop moving: transportation fleets, construction equipment, agricultural tractors, and even stationary industrial generators. These engines need one thing above all: reliability. And at the center of that reliability is the ability to deliver fuel exactly when and how the engine requires it. That is the exact role this injection pump plays. Think about how diesel engines work. Combustion doesn't happen by accident, it's carefully timed and perfectly measured. Fuel must be injected at high pressure into the combustion chamber so it can ignite under compression. If the timing is off or the pressure is inconsistent, you lose power, waste fuel, and produce higher emissions. That's why a precise injection pump is more than just a part, it's the technology that defines the performance of the entire engine. The 33,100 4x700 fuel injection pump is engineered to handle those demands. Its design is built for durability, high operating pressure, and exact fuel delivery. When engines run for hours on end under heavy loads, components are exposed to constant heat, vibration, and stress. Inferior pumps fail under these conditions, but a well-manufactured pump like this one is built to endure. That durability translates to fewer breakdowns, less downtime, and lower maintenance costs. Performance-wise, the difference between an engine with a failing pump and one with a properly functioning pump is night and day. Engines with a worn-out pump can be hard to start, run unevenly, and consume more fuel than necessary. Black smoke and excessive emissions are also common symptoms. By installing a high-quality replacement like this, those problems are solved almost instantly. Fuel is delivered cleanly, combustion is efficient, and performance stabilizes. Another reason this pump matters so much is fuel economy. Diesel engines are valued for efficiency, but without accurate injection, they can quickly become fuel-hungry. The 33,100 4x700 pump ensures that every drop of diesel is utilized effectively. That means better mileage, less fuel waste, and more productivity for every hour of operation. For businesses running fleets or farming equipment, those savings add up fast. There's also the environmental factor. Global emission standards are tightening, and industries are under pressure to reduce pollutants. A properly working high-pressure injection pump allows for cleaner combustion, which reduces harmful gases and visible smoke. Cleaner operation not only meets regulations but also helps extend the life of the engine itself by preventing buildup and unnecessary strain. Compatibility is another strong advantage of this pump. The design allows it to be a direct fit replacement for certain diesel engines, specifically those that call for the 33,100 4x700 specification. For mechanics and operators, this means installation is straightforward, no extensive modifications, no wasted time. That's important when downtime is costly. A pump that installs quickly and gets the engine back to work is an asset on its own. From a technical perspective, the pump is built with extremely tight tolerances. Inside, components must manage thousands of cycles per minute under extreme pressure. This precision engineering ensures consistent operation, which in turn guarantees smoother engine performance. Every movement inside this pump is designed for accuracy and endurance. When you compare this pump to cheaper alternatives, the difference in quality becomes even more clear. Low-cost pumps often fail prematurely, leading to repeated replacements and potential engine damage. They may not deliver fuel evenly, which causes performance issues over time. The 33,100 4x700 is manufactured with performance and longevity in mind. It's the kind of part that gives peace of mind because you know it's not cutting corners. In industries like logistics and agriculture, time is money. A truck stranded on the highway or a tractor sitting idle in a field can cause massive delays and losses. That's why operators depend on reliable components like this pump. It isn't just a small upgrade, it's insurance against costly downtime. Another area worth mentioning is